type conversion is conversion of data from one type to another type. Mainly two type of conversion: implicit, automatic, widening, lower to higher order, and the second type is explicit, manually narrowing typecasting or higher to lower order typecasting. So before understanding the type conversion or typecasting, we have to understand this data type concept. Data type are mainly two types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are like string, array, etc. Stack, queue. And primitive is also boolean, numeric. Boolean is, the value are true, false, and in numeric you get character, single character like a, b, c, like that. And in here there is also two types: integer, floating point. Integer from small to large, byte, short, int, long. And in floating point, here you can see the range of all of that. Byte is the shortest, then short, then integer, then long. And the next one is floating point. Here also float is small and double is the largest. Now going to the before going to the code, here you can see that the lower to higher, from byte to double, byte, short, char, int. Here here this is the byte to double is implicit typecasting, and double to large to small is narrowing or explicit typecasting. So go to the code part. Now we already make an class typecasting called typecasting. Now let's suppose implicit typecasting. Take integer value I equals to 9. Now you want to convert the I variable to double. So what we have to do, just we write double j equals to I. Here you don't get any kind of error, just print out both of them. I, j, Control S, F11. Now you can see the integer value and the after typecasting or after conversion, here we get 9.0. Now we see what happened when we do explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting, here we take double at first. Now we want to convert it u, print d. Now you can see that here we get an error, type mismatch, cannot convert double to int. So here what we have to do, we have to mention the name of the data type in which we want to convert in the first bracket. Okay, just like int, the error is gone. Now you can print the value after typecasting. Now F11. Now you get that you only get the integer value of t. Okay, this is the way you can do typecasting of any data type.